The soil of Haldi Ghati is yellow, the color of turmeric, the color of sacrifice. On that field, Maharana Pratap taught us that true courage is not winning every battle. It is refusing to stop fighting.
हल्दी घाटी की मिट्टी पीली है। हल्दी घाटी का रंग हमें कुर्बानी के बारे में याद दिलाता है। हमें उससे ये सीख तो मिलती ही है कि महाराणा प्रताप ने जिस खुददारी से उस लड़ाई को लड़ा था, उसमें हमको ये समझ में आता है कि स्वाभिमान को किसी कीमत के ऊपर खूंटे पे नहीं टांगा जाता है, अपने उसूलों के साथ में समझौता नहीं किया जाता है। उसी प्रकार से हल्दी घाटी अवार्ड जो है वो हमारे को ये सिखाता है कि जो जर्नलिस्ट हैं, जो पत्रकार हैं, वो अपने उसूलों के साथ में समझौता नहीं करते हैं, सच को बोलते हैं। जहां शायद चुप रहना आसान होता, पर उन्होंने फिर भी अपनी आवाज को बुलंद किया, समाज को फिर भी जगाया।
The Haldi Ghati Award honors those who carry that spirit into the world of ideas. Journalists who awaken society, who speak when silence would be safer.
I was fresh out of a journalism institute and had applied for a job in a newspaper called The Asian Age. I thought that I'll become the voice of the voiceless. So I always focused on issues that not many people were talking about. I was very young. At 25, I was working with The Asian Age, where my boss, my editor-in-chief, asked me to go to Ahmedabad and launch a new newspaper on your own. And we did have a successful launch of The Asian Age in Ahmedabad. No transformation is easy. It is always hard. But then I know that when you got to do something, then you got to do something. And there is a lot of learning in the process. And that's what keeps us invested and interested in journalism. It is kind of strange that I was born and brought up in a very Hindi household. After launching a few products in English, I realized that Hindi newspapers were reaching people that English newspapers were not. And that's when the opportunity to join a Hindi newspaper, Dainik Bhaskar, one of the best in the business. And I thought that, this is sort of my return gift to Hindi, my mother tongue. Saurabh Dwivedi, he had been working with me for about 6 years by then. So we went away from official Hindi and started a platform that became the voice of the youth. If you see the news channels, that were just replication of Doordarshan, a little fast, more aggressive, louder. But they were all, the Hindi was the same. Then we got Rajasthani Hindi, UP Hindi, Bundelkhandi Hindi, Purvanchal Hindi, Bihar Hindi in the mix, and everybody loved it. That's how it started. Then Lallan Top became a brand in itself. Well, it makes me glad, but I see Lallan Top growing and growing and growing now that we have decided to expand even further now. So it makes me happy that we have got the attention of 35 million people, but we are not stopping here. Soon 50. Life is difficult, it's tough. World is very complex. Not every issue can be, served to you in a very dense language. So what I do is I use humor to make things accessible for people. That's how Teen Tal works. We have 3 people. None of them are actually stand-up comedians. But when we come into that room, we make sure that we talk about things that matter, but talk in a way that is more accessible, makes people enjoy it a little bit more. And people remember it. There is a takeaway in it. It's not the joke. It is actually these very serious issues about our lives, but the humor keeps it easy. Poetry is a big part of my life. I do not like confrontational things. I like them to start somewhere different but meet at some point. That's what I think poetry is. when it comes to my journalism, my work. See, the name we have been hearing since we were little children. In school, in our families, at home, the courage of Maharana Pratap and his struggle. This was a man who never accepted defeat. So when I heard that I am getting this award, which is called the Haldi Ghati Award, just the association made me say, yes, this is something that I would like to associate myself with. मैं वहाँ की मिट्टी को अपने माथे पे लगा के अपने आप को धन्य समझूंगा. So you can understand the emotion that comes with the name Haldi Ghati. So I'm really proud and I'm really thankful, grateful to Maharana Mewar Charitable Foundation to think of me as fit enough, worthy enough to receive this award. It's not an easy field. It's not easy now that everybody with a mobile phone is a journalist and a valid journalist. I have no objection to it. So you have to be far, far better, far more invested in the public good. So go for things that are not trending and make them trend. Let everybody know why you are a journalist.
महाराणा प्रताप ने हल्दी घाटी की लड़ाई केवल इसलिए नहीं लड़ी कि वो सुरक्षित जी सकें। उन्होंने वो लड़ाई इस वजह से लड़ी कि आने वाली पीढ़ी भी अपनी जिंदगी को इज्जत से जी सके। उसी प्रकार से पत्रकार भी जो सच कहते हैं जिससे कि आने वाला पल और वर्तमान दोनों जिंदा रहें। वीर शिरोमणि महाराणा प्रताप हल्दी घाटी के बाद भी कई दशकों तक लड़ते रहे। उसी प्रकार से कमलेश सिंह जी भी 30 साल तक पत्रकारिता में नए पुराने स्थितियों को लेकर भी वो अपनी जंग को जारी रखे और ये नहीं भूले कि उन्होंने इसको शुरू क्यों किया था। आज करोड़ों भारतीय उस प्लेटफॉर्म से न्यूज़ लेते हैं जिसमें कमलेश सिंह जी ने बनाने में मदद करी। ये केवल जर्नलिज्म ही नहीं है, ये नेशनल बिल्डिंग भी है, ये हल्दी घाटी की आत्मा है, ये मेवाड़ की आत्मा है।
Maharana Pratap fought for 20 years after Haldi Ghati. He never surrendered. He adapted, he persisted, he reclaimed what was lost. Kamlesh Kishore Singh has done the same for 3 decades in journalism, fighting on every new terrain, never losing sight of why he began. Today, millions of Indians receive their news through platforms he helped build. That is not just journalism. That is the spirit of Haldi Ghati, alive in our time.
हल्दी घाटी अलंकरण से सम्मानित किए जा रहे हैं श्री कमलेश